Guys, CapCut Pro is free. This is not the regular kind of video that you normally see on YouTube, where they talk about how you can use CapCut to edit your videos and you won't need to pay any money for free. You get? So in this video, I'll be teaching you how I design my thumbnail using CapCut Pro, like those features on CapCut that you need to pay money before you are able to use it. I use it to design my thumbnail for free, and I am not asked to pay any money. So I'll be teaching you how you too can also design your thumbnail using CapCut Pro for free. So if you really want to learn how you can do that, guys, keep watching. So guys, I'll click on CapCut app, then I'll click on new project, click on library. Then what I'm about to do here is that I want to look for a 16:9 thumbnail design. You can click on any one and look for background. Click on background. So you can see different background here. So you can choose to click on any one of your choice. So let's go with this white background, this white one. You click on it and click on add. So this is a white background which I don't like. I just choose it because I still want to edit it. So I'll just swipe to my right hand side and click on background. Click on color and select any color you want. If it's this ash color, if it's yellow, if it's purple, any color. So I'll be going with this ash. So by the time you click on the color you want, the next thing you need to do is just to come to this place that this white background is showing and shift it. Just shift it, remove it. So after removing it, we already have our background now. This one is settled. So you click on that check sign there. So the next thing I'll be doing now is I'll add my picture. I click on overlay, add overlay, and click on any photo of my choice. Just click on this one and then I'll click on add. So this is where the CapCut Pro is free. This is where it comes in now. So I'll swipe to my left and click on remove background. Click on it. Actually, to remove background now on CapCut is not free. It's no longer free, but right now I'll be using it. I'll click on auto remover, the first one. As you can see, I've removed the background. I'll click on this check sign and you can decide to put the background anywhere you want. The picture, you can leave it here, you can take it to the other side, but I'll leave it here for the sake of this tutorial. And if it's too small, you can enlarge it like this. So this one is settled now. So the other CapCut Pro I want to use now is the test. Click on test. Click on add test. Let me just write get 1,000 subscribers fast. So this is what I have now. I'll just then I'll click on font. This is font. That is the writing, the handwriting, how you want it to be. So I want to use one Pro here. So let's use Jovia. So that's a Pro feature. So this one is settled. Then I'll go to style. If I want to style it, I'll click on style. You can change the color here. You can use yellow, you can use red. I'll go with yellow. Click on this check sign. So let's add stickers. But click on this one here. Click on this. I'm just trying to show you how you can. Then I'll just write do this now. Do this now. So this is just for the sake of the tutorial, guys. That's why I just did the thumbnail like this. So now that I'll click on this check sign. So now that you have used CapCut Pro, so you can use all the Pro features you want to use on CapCut. And when it's now time for you to export it, you click on export, for example. Just see what they will write for me now. So you are using the following premium features: font, even, warm ivory, and remove background. These are the pro features I use. So I cannot export this to my phone except I join CapCut Pro. So, and I don't want to join CapCut Pro, you get. So what I will do now is that I'm going to screenshot this. Let's screenshot first. Screenshot. So after screenshotting, let me show you how you are going to place this on as your thumbnail on YouTube. So guys, after you are done with everything, all the pro that you want to use, then you screenshot. So after screenshotting, just click on it, or you can go to your gallery and look for the screenshots that you made. So the next thing we are going to do now is that we are going to edit this now to 16:9, which is the YouTube thumbnail size, you get. So this is the way I edit mine. I'll just click on this pencil icon here, so you can see crop and the others. So I'll click on crop. So I have 16:9 here. I'll click on it. So all you need to do is to arrange this photo to fit in. Arrange and then save it. Click on save. So guys, that is it. It is as simple as that. This is the thumbnail. So when you are done uploading your video, this is the thumbnail you put. It's very easy. Guys, give it a try. So guys, that is how you use CapCut Pro for free. It is like you can use it for free. Just follow the step I gave to you and you will be able to get it exactly. So guys, that is for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Don't forget to like and share. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.